Hey guys, so today I wanted to come on here and share with you guys some of my all-time favorite makeup and like beauty fragrance things that are really cheap and affordable that I feel like aren't talked about really, and I wanted to share. This is going to be part of my bougie for a buck thing, so if you guys like this, be sure to give this a thumbs up and to subscribe. That would mean a lot to me. So without further ado, let's get into it. I'm going to talk about the most expensive thing first. Depending on where you get this can be really pricey, but like I said, sorry, this is the most expensive thing. This is the Ariana Grande Sweet Like Candy perfume. It is one of my, oh god, it's my all-time favorite. This is the biggest size. It's the 3.4 ounce. Depending on where you go, like I said, it can go up to 60 bucks, but you can find this for like $30. So just be wary on where you go, which department store and such. You can find this, and it's real for about like $35. So definitely be wary on that. And this is so amazing. It's so beautiful. The packaging is gorgeous. It's this really pretty pastel pink. You got your little poof. There is other sizes as well, but really recommend getting 3.4. You're getting the most. It's the best value. And yeah, just shop around. So really love this. Alright, next, this is not new by any means. The Katy Perry Killer Queen fragrance. I absolutely love this. This is part of the, I think the Revolution one, and I'm not sure. But I know this is Killer Queen, and it's by Katy Perry. The packaging is so cool. I absolutely love the packaging. Oh, it's just awesome. The bottle packaging, whatever you want to call it. I will say, obviously, you have to like lay it on its side. It smells so good. It smells so good. Lately, I've been seeing this on sale everywhere for 20 bucks. I decided to pick it up just to try it. Guys, this is one of the best smelling perfumes that I've ever smelled. It literally smells like it's up there with Sephora perfumes that smell like around $100 range. Those ones, this is what this smells like. Really recommend this. It's very unique. If you guys don't like that it will lay on its side, you can always get like a beauty blender thing and be able to like almost like put that in there. So if you guys wanted to do that, you guys could. But I don't mind it laying on its side. It's beautiful. That's the 3.4 ounce. Highly recommend. It smells so great. So let's get into some makeup and beauty products that I would like to talk about. I'm going to start with this one first because I know some people do talk about this, but I really feel like it's not talked about enough. This is the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. I absolutely love this. The mist on this is so amazing. Like, let me just... Do you guys see that? Like, it's just so good. Like, so great. It definitely makes a difference on the lasting power of your makeup and also makes it less transfer proof. It's not going to be like... This won't make it completely transfer proof, but it will make it more resistant to it smudging, and you'll notice if you touch your face, it is less compared to when you do not wear it. I highly recommend this. It is $15, but Ulta always has those $3.50 off coupons off 15 or more. There you go. They're always doing sales randomly, so definitely recommend this. It is absolutely amazing. I've tried many setting sprays and mists, and I love the way this one smells, this one feels. I actually feel like it does something, and it doesn't break the bank, and it lasts a while, so definitely recommend this. One more Morphe item is the Morphe Contour and Highlight Sponge. I was buying beauty blenders like crazy, but then it gets expensive, and I find that lately the quality has not been the same with Beauty Blender. No offense, I love you Beauty Blender, but the quality has not been the same. I also like the Real Techniques, if you guys can peep it in the background, but this one is my favorite. I actually just used it today, and this is it dry. I didn't even wet it, and it still works amazing. So it performs great wet or dry. I love this little edge here so I can get right underneath my concealer. I can just press and get anywhere I need with all these different angles. It's $7. I highly recommend picking this up. I definitely think a lot of you guys will really love this. I do have two primers for you guys, and they are both under $5. If you are more of you like a silicone based primer and you're more on the oily side, I do recommend the Ordinary High Adherence Silicone Primer. I know there's lots of drama with the Ordinary, but we're just going to ignore that, and it's just about the makeup and the products, so that is it. But yeah, this is absolutely amazing. I've noticed a huge difference. If you do not like silicone primers, then I wouldn't recommend this, but it is amazing, and if you're oily, it's not going to make you more oily, and it does help the longevity of your makeup. Next, this is more of a primer if you're more dry or you just want a little more dew to the skin. It's just the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Face Primer. It's the dewy one, and it is absolutely amazing. It gives just the right glow underneath your foundation, Granted, you could always build it up more or do just a little less and make it go around your face more, but it is amazing. I highly recommend this if you want a little bit more glow, especially if your foundation is a little too flat and you want a little something to it. This is amazing. So highly recommend this. Alright, for a great foundation, I'm going to definitely recommend the ColourPop No Filter Stick Foundation. I do have mine in the shade Fair 5W. It's absolutely stunning. That's what I have on now. I bought a backup, and this is how much I used. It's almost gone. I absolutely love this. It's so smooth. It's just the right of like smoothness that goes on without it being too creamy and gross. It keeps me matte, but it doesn't dry me out. It just is perfect. I think you can be any skin tone, honestly, and wear this. If you're more on the oily side, just put a little extra powder where you think you might need to be. I'm a combination, but when I first put this on, I don't powder it. I wait until I need it a little bit later, and then I'll put a little bit of powder, but this is absolutely amazing. And last but not least is this Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. It's one of my absolute favorites. I do have mine in C1. Just if you're heads up, if you're super pale like I am, you will have to buy C1 online only, but there is a variety of shades in Ulta, so definitely love this. The formula on this is amazing. Very similar to Shape Tape, I have to admit. Huge dome foot. I absolutely love it. The formula is honestly amazing. I think this is around $7. It's a really, really great deal. It'll last a long time. I would secondly recommend the ColourPop No Filter, I believe. Let me see. Hold on. So my second recommendation would be the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. This is in the shade Fair 2. Really recommend this as well. But I would find that this could, if you're dry skinned, this wouldn't work for everybody. So I wanted to include this Makeup Revolution one. Because I'm combo, I wanted to show it this one because I feel like everybody can use this. Where I find that the ColourPop No Filter Concealer works more if you're oily because it can be way too drying. So I recommend the Makeup Revolution over the ColourPop if you're more on different skin tones and all that. It just has more of a variety. I do love both of these though, but if you're more on the oily side, I would recommend the ColourPop one. This is about $6 and this one's $7. But yeah, they have great undertones. They have lots of different shade varieties and they're really affordable. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching. This was just a fun, quick little video that I wanted to share some random little fun beauty favorites that are really cheap and affordable and I love. Like I said, sorry about the one. I know the one Ariana perfume is kind of expensive, but honestly it smells really good and you can get it on sale in deals and in gift sets, especially right now around the holidays. I did see Walmart had like $20 gift sets, $25 gift sets, and I believe it's like you get the 1 ounce or the 1.5, I don't remember. Maybe it's, I don't know, it's not that huge one, but you will get like that and like a lotion and stuff like that for like $20, and I think that's a great way to try it. See if you like it. I do recommend it. It smells amazing. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. Don't forget to press like and subscribe. Hopefully this was entertaining. I will be doing more Bougie for a Buck videos, and yeah, hopefully see you next time.